you're supposed to be. I think we're prepared. I'm sure something to fuck up. Don't worry. Oh, I should have got more water. Hey, Vein Brain, what's going on? It's smoky in here. For the good reasons. Not, well, wait. I don't know if you know what I mean. Can I do that? I can. Oh, fair enough, man. Hope you're getting closer to where you need to be. Nothing more exciting and frustrating than getting to the end of the, well, near the end of the development cycle, because it's just, you find out all the little tiny bits that you, not necessarily neglected, but you just, never thought of. I can only speak from experience. Oh, yeah. If that perfection sickness. Oh, yeah. I gotcha. Okay. Sometimes though, like, and I guess that's one of the reasons, one of the better reasons, excuse me, for having testers, is that they, if they don't notice it, do you need to fix it? I'm not talking one, I'm talking, many, but like, if no one notices I don't want to call it a glitch, but something that that's not right, should you throw in 3 hours? But because there's no such thing as perfect. It's a hard one to grasp, but there's no such thing at all as perfect. And I still struggle with it. But you get to a point where, like, if you're on like day 2 of working on some tiny little piece that doesn't really have an impact on your game or your project, then or then I eventually, like, I smack myself in the face, be like, just keep it working. But maybe that's why I'm not making millions. Maybe that's it. I don't know. All I know is my brain can only take so much. Oh God. It feels like Sunday to me. We had I had Wednesday today, and then tomorrow I have it off, but there's still a ton of like stuff to do around the house and family stuff, and it feels like the weekend. Like I said, it feels like I'm going back to work tomorrow, and it's supposed to be Monday, and it's not, which is good, but my brain is not used to having time off at all. And I don't know if that's worrying or if it's something that I should be happy about. I don't know, but maybe I'm just talking shit, talking out my ass. I don't know. So we'll see. We shall see. Tonight I am hopefully going to finally fix the world space indicator. I should use 2 quotes. World space indicator issue I had with the clipping. I've gotten rid of the whole world space thing, and I'm just about finished. I think I just have the weapons to do and the puzzle indicator to see if I can get right. Or I might not need to deal with the puzzle one. We'll see. But yeah, so I'm replacing with screen space. So I'm converting the world space of the object to the screen space, which is easy enough. Unity has a nice little thing for it. And but it's the logic as to how the game object gets its indicator and making sure that it's not already been used by another game object. So it's and then every single object will need its own offset, because you don't want the indicator right on the object. You want it, above. And then on top of that, I have to redo, how the indicator has that bouncing thing. It does. That animator didn't play nice with the scaling, so I actually have to redo the animator for it. And I might just, instead of making it bounce up and down, I might just make it maybe the actual texture, I guess the sprites, I guess, what is it? The length and the width, I might just make that bigger and smaller. So it'll stay in space, it'll just kind of warble a bit. I don't know, I can't change the scale, which kind of sucks. Nor can I change the actual like anchor position, because that's how it's being used. So I'm kind of limited to, maybe I can do a fade in, fade out. We'll see. Once I get it right for one, I can apply it to them all, thankfully. But see how it goes. Hopefully we get it, and then we can continue on with there's two more scenes plus The sewer you kind of dick around with as you go, but 2 more scenes to do to double check, and then I can do a full build and then play test the fuck out of it. Although I guess there's some tiny backstory narrative stuff that needs to be added in, but that's just simple editing. Thankfully, that's not a lot of testing in that, other than, you know, all the spelling mistakes we've been finding and grammar issues. So we'll get there. Anyway, I'm going to jump in. Oh, I should probably unplug this stupid thing. I like wireless mice, even for gaming, because I'm not a latency snob, but like I keep forgetting that, you know, you have to charge them eventually. So that's what I had fucked up there. Yeah, okay, good, that's working. So where were we? Oh yeah, so this is the scene I was testing in. There's no weapons in this scene, so we're gonna go to, this is saved, yes it is. We're gonna go to the next scene, because that'll have a puzzle and a weapon thing in it. And that is here. Oh, okay, sure, save changes. Okay, so there's a lot that needs to be referenced in here before I get going. Let's go to has the indicator. Object pooling controller. We need a folder, which is, these are the indicators. And I actually need a reference to the, oh, exit scene indicator. Whoop. Whoop. That's weird. Okay, I guess I can just override that. Yep. So that's all I need for there, really. And then it's just finding a weapon. If I can find one. Should be one in here. Player pickups. Yes. So let's go to that beast. So as you can see, there's a. Oh, and yeah, the ammo I've done. I just got to remove the canvas from the prefab. But I want to get this done first. So right out of the gate, we need to open a weapon pickup script. And we're just going to borrow, pretty much follows the health pickup one. Oh god, look at all that shit code I got to get rid of. So I need references to these. Guess in that one. Oh, I should probably clean this up a bit too. Let's just put these here for now. And let's clean this up a tiny bit. Just that as I find them, I'm just like, well, I say clean up, but like, just want to make it easier to read the references anyway. Find what I'm looking for, just in case. I don't even think I need that one anymore. I don't. We don't need that indicator one because we're adding a Ronin. Haha. I need that one, and I need. Actually, we'll just get rid of you. Almost there. Strings, let's keep the strings together. Let's keep the ints and the floats together. I'm sure I have more float. Keep all the public floats. Whee! Bool, 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 int. I think that's it, really. I think. Oh no, there's a few more over here. Whee! I think that's it. Don't need you anymore because you're a singleton. Yeah, that should be fine there. I have UI. I do. Good. Okay. So where was I? I can get rid of you. I don't need you. So I'm gonna rip this one right out. Indicator manager. I need you. And then I don't need you anymore. Let's just rip you out of here. So start. It's all of this junk that I need. And thankfully, it will never change because of how hard-coded everything is now, which is great. So actually, I can just get rid of you completely. And I am getting, yep. Yep. Text. Do I need a text for this? No, I do not. Good. So, oh, static ref. Indicator. Yeah, I need you. So this just tells the indicator where the position is based off of where the game object is. And I don't need this anymore. Just take it out for now. Why did I do that? It's right there. Good. Whee. There we go. I think that might be it, other than I think I need the disable on disable. Hugo! Frick. I love and hate you guys with such an undying passion. Where the fuck? There it is, on disable. Weapon pickup. Gonna move it up here. I don't know why I like putting like enable and disable between awake and start. I don't know why, I just do. Okay, so that should take care of, that's all I really need for the weapon. And the puzzle one would be a fun one. That one, hopefully, I don't know how that one's gonna go. That one might be all sorts of fucked up. So, right out of the gate, we can get rid of this canvas. So let me open up this prefab and just delete that canvas. We don't need any more. We're gonna save it. And all of these, well, might as well do the ammo as well. Open prefab asset. We don't need the canvases because I checked them out last scene. They should all be good. Should. I just never updated the. Hugo, do you ever decide on a PC? Might be a loaded question, but I know you were looking. Again, I hope it in Discord. I hope it didn't seem like I was shitting on Dells. I'm not. It's just I've personally had. Oh, fair enough. Yeah. Well, again, you got to remember too. That series, if I'm not mistaken, was from a good few years back. So like, hopefully they've upped their game. But like, and that's only generally because I've watched them for when they're calling up their actual sales team, whatever, and ordering and judging and based off that, blah blah blah. What I think you should really be taking a look at is the how they're actually put together. Because if you want to upgrade in the future, Dell, especially Alienware, but Dell PCs, from what I remember, there's a lot of proprietary things like hard drive arms that you actually have to like take 3 screws and then like lift the arm up and the hard drive's attached to it. And it, like they don't leave a lot of space in their PCs. And unless it's an Alienware, there's probably not any room at all for any sort of like AIO cooling or anything like that. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, like, because again, if you're going to use this eventually for like a proper workstation, you are going to need, like, my biggest concern isn't necessarily like, because there's always ways around of, especially with PC parts, like proprietary case, you can just move everything to another case. But the motherboard, they don't generally give a lot of information on the motherboards they supply. And again, Alienware PCs would. But the regular Dell, like Optex and they're basically the workstation ones, like cooling wise, a lot of the, like for example, that hard drive arm that I just talked about, like that would completely block any sort of upgraded cooling fan that you would ever want to put on the CPU. You shouldn't have any restrictions on the RAM, except for, some of them might only have, dual channel, or sorry, like 2 RAM slots instead of 4, which would severely limit. Not necessarily severely limit, but you'd have to change, if there's only 2 slots, you need 2 32 gig sticks, which is not cheap. If it had 4, obviously you're in better position, but airflow for Dell PCs isn't generally good. Yeah. Oh, that's great. See, that's what you want. You want to know specifically, because if you know what you want to turn that PC into, down the road, you need to know the capabilities of the motherboard, especially the motherboard. It's the backbone of the whole bloody system. So Dell, like I said, Dell has their own. I don't think they're proprietary motherboards. They're just, I guess no, they kind of are. They're specifically made for what Dell's selling. So, and the BIOS, you're not going to have really any options in the BIOS at all for Dell boards. It's going to be completely, not necessarily locked down. You might have overclocking capability, but like, don't expect any real adjustment. I'd be surprised if you can even overclock the RAM, or at least use like an XMP profile, or what's the other one? JDEC? I forget. Oh, I understand. Okay. Yeah. Well, I mean, if you're going to be using it for stuff like that, you might, I mean, I know this sounds dumb, but like you go on eBay, wait, and look for like old server hardware, like server towers, not racks. And some of them, you can get some pretty fucking good deals, but unless you want something new, like you want some, or like newer hardware. Like, again, I don't know what you want it for, but you can get like, you know, dual socket boards in a case with like 48, 72 gigs of RAM for a couple $100. You're not going to get a GPU in it, but like you can get a pretty good fucking system. It's going to look like a relic, but it's going to function perfectly fine. Yeah, that's what I mean. I was considering buying one of those when I was building my server out, and then I realized I don't need server grade hardware for the stuff that I'm going to do. Basically, the most important thing it does is just store data, as in like store long-term data, and it's not even critical. Anything critical is stored in the cloud. So it's just for, you know, running a gaming machine to all the TVs in the house and backing up this game data, which is already backed up to the cloud. Like, you know what I mean? So I didn't need server grade hardware. Okay, let's just see if this works right out of the gate. Oh, wait, no, that's not true. Hold on, I do have to set the sprite image. And I should probably select the prefab. Actually, I'm going to select all the prefabs. The knife, ooh. Yeah, we'll give it to them all. Is it weapon icon? Yes, perfect. Let's move our player over. Cross our fingers this works. Outside position, where are you? Probably in the power plant. Yeah. So this should be all going well. I'm sure I forgot something. But yeah, like I would totally get something along those lines. Oh, the light switches. Yeah, okay, I'm not gonna worry because that's part of the puzzle. So let's just port the player over. I just want to see if the weapon one worked. Oh, am I even? Oh wait, it's the inside position. Oh yeah, the gun one works. The ammo one works. You see, it's just sitting there. Oh, fuck you, spider. Ah, go away, spiders! I want to test. No. It looks like he's having a seizure. Where did all these fucking enemies come from? Okay, so anyway, the indicator works. If I pick it up, yay, picked up machine gun. Arrgh. Okay, anyway, cool. Hey, Sundry, how's it going? So, at least like the weapon ones worked. Grand. Yep. Huh. Now the puzzle, because obviously the light switch has an issue. What are your light switch puzzle toggle? What's the problem here? Oh, okay. So it's actually, I don't even think I need this anymore. Now this is going to be, oh, balls. So indicator text is looking for. Okay, that's fine. Let's get to the ones we don't need. Health pickup, weapon, ammo, interactive info. Don't need the pooler. Don't need any of these. Okay. That's good to hear, Sundry. I hope, what was I going to say? Oh, I completely fucking forget what I was going to tell you. There. Fucking hate when that happens. Oh well. Anyway. Yeah, no, I forget. Okay, so our light switch toggle puzzle, obviously distance to use. So let's go to the end of information, and if it's not the scene exit, then we want you. Do we want use item? Yes, we do. However, down hither, I think. Oh, it's in the check. Yes. Okay. So I also need. Oh, why didn't I just do the interface? I should have just did the fucking interface. and I'm gonna hard code this in, and then I'm gonna have to build an interface because it's not gonna get ultra. There might be 5 that I need to do. Light switch, puzzle toggle. I'm gonna light toggle. I just want to see this work so I can get rid of this proof of concept. Oh, I just played a little Harry Potter? No. I had no idea that that was a game. Like, not gonna lie. It's 2003, really? Oh no, fair enough. See, look at this. Look at these. All these if statements. We're gonna get rid of these. Maybe even today. Not scene exit. If light toggle not equal null. Then we're gonna go if basically this, but instead of scene exit, we're gonna go light toggle. And this is, what the fuck did I call this? Player distance to use. Okay, yeah, that'll do it. And then I can go to light toggle and I can get rid of this in the update. So I can get rid of the whole update. Yay! Oh wait, no I can't. Actually, yes I can. Look at that. Whoop. Is that the only place that's called? Looks like it. Cool. Let's see what else is broken. So if anybody doesn't know right now, all I'm doing tonight is, well, I shouldn't say all I'm doing. I'm gonna update these. I think I have this set of indicators, like the puzzle indicators. The weapon one I've just finished. I mean, that was nice and quick. But the other thing I couldn't carry over from the old world space canvas to the screen space one for the indicators is the animation, like it moving up and down. So, because that affects the scaling and the, sorry, I can't touch the scaling or the anchor position because then it'll screw up the position of where it's actually sitting. So unless I do it in code, which I don't want to, so I should just use Unity's animator. And what I'll probably end up doing is I'll just change the width and height of the indicator itself. Like I'll just, scale it up 50 units up and down. And if that doesn't work, maybe I might actually just do a fade, like fade in, fade out the color. That's probably the simplest. Yeah, it's probably the simplest. Did you figure out the particle stuff? No, Sundry, because I was hell-bent. I didn't have a lot of time the last couple days. So I was working on this indicator thing. It's trust me, I want to figure it out desperately. Yeah, I don't know why. I still don't know why. But it's on the list, and it's properly on the list. No, fair enough. I want to know too. Okay, so let's take a look at this puzzle over here. Now, if I'm lucky, the puzzle itself, electronic keypad is not there. So we have a item information and a keypad lock puzzle. Now the keypad lock puzzle, this has no indicator crap on it, right? Right? Good. Perfect. So the only thing that I need to do then is I need a way. Oh, hey, Hero, what's going on? I need a way of differentiating it from, basically I need to assign a sprite to the indicator because I'm object pooling the indicators now. I need to assign a sprite to it. And item information. Yeah, I guess I could. Yeah, I can. Public sprite. New Jesus. Indicator sprite. and then down hither. So the scene, so it would be here. Oh, shit nuggets. We can't use item. Would have to be interact. So I need another way of differentiating. Previously, I thought there would only be two. Unless I just object pool a puzzle one. But even then. Ah! Balls. So, whoops. So the image itself is here. So we're gonna go if new not equal null. Nulk. Then we're gonna go this object indicator image dot sprite. Oh wait, dot oh shit, I have to go get component. Image dot sprite equal new indicator sprite. There we go. Yes, I can't use stupid object pooler. Yeah. So how do I differentiate the puzzle? Oh, wait, it's on a layer. I can use a layer. Okay, interactive puzzle. Perfect. So I believe this is puzzle. Puzzle icon. Perfect. Okay, let's test it out. Oh, and then the text. Ah, okay, so again, until I write the interface, this is going to be ugly. So the text here. So the only two different types of text there are if it's a scene exit, it's going to be this one. That's easy enough. It's always going to be that one. But I need to check the layer now. And I can go if game object dot layer not equals, what is an interactive puzzle? That's 17. Not equals 17. Then do that. And then else. We want interact. Okay. Test. Let's see if I broke it. Unless I forgot to turn some puzzles. Wouldn't that be fucking annoying? Yeah, what actually, wait, what are these light switches on? Ah, shit, they're on interactive puzzle. Fuck! I know interact's still fine. I think I wanted those to be interact anyway. Yeah, I did. Whew. Okay, so far, so fucking lucky. Let's try this out and see what this looks like. And then if this might be the last one, and then we'll, why is hold? Oh yeah, because it's, boop. Yeah, see, they say, oh, I got to take off the world canvas ones. But anyway, see it, now you can see them properly. Oh, go away, worm. Okay, that's not where we wanted to go. Sorry, everyone. Let's go to 3, outside position. Ah! Okay, weapon. Should be, oh, I'm gonna hit a fucking enemy trigger, ain't I? God damn it. Load. Wait, go to the shotgun. There we go. Oh, wait. I forgot to take off the old world skin. Oh, hold on. Yeah, so there's an issue. Besides me about to die. Okay. I forgot to take off the fuck is it? Canvas. Just turn you off for now. Oh, is that not right? Oh no, we need that one. What the fuck is the canvas? Oh, I'm stupid. It's right here. Let's just turn that straight off. Now, why didn't it get... That's got a use item on it, which is fine. Use items don't do anything with it. The animator, that's fine. Oh, look at that. That's all garbled. Why is that all garbled? There we go. Item information. Bad. Let's take a look again. And then I can find it and find out why there's no text added to it. Unless I can check in here. 17. Hold on. It is 17, right? This is the one with item information on interactive puzzle. Yeah, that's 17. Yeah, okay. I'm going insane. 3, boop, boop. I'm gonna run out of water. Oh, I'm gonna get all these stupid enemies. I forgot to take, yeah, there's a lot of game modes I forgot to take on. So that's there. So let's go to our indicators, which should be here. A lot of them. Oh, the text is off. Oh. Why do I have the text off? Why do I turn that off? Yeah, I shouldn't do that. Unless that text should always be on for, okay, let's try that. Let's just take that out because I get a text. Why I had that on? I don't know. Oh shit. Let's just start over. I'm gonna get my ass handed to me because I'm not prepared to fight all those dickheads. Come on now. I just want to get this done so we can, like I said, it's the animator animation. Oh, I gotta go through every scene though. Oh my good god. Interact, yay! And if you see it, it's on, it's everywhere, nothing's blocking it. Go away, everybody! Oh, I died. That's fine, I don't mind dying. Give up? Nay! Okay, look, it's there, it's working, it's fine. Now, unfortunately, I have to go through. I wish you can, it's one of the things and I know there's a plugin, and if anyone can find that plugin for me, that would be awesome. That lets you drill down into, like, for example, if I select my ammo prefabs, to drill down into it to adjust the prefab instead of having to go through each fucking scene. I know there's a plugin for that. And God, it would be worth its weight in gold. Anyway, so a plugin, an asset from the Unity Asset Store that lets you, like, see these are my no, but like say, okay, so say here, these are my prefabs, right? To be able to like open up to see the children in the prefabs in the project window, not the scene hierarchy. 2 megabytes of bits way. Oh, go ahead, Hugo. Enlighten us. No, again, Sundra, I just want to edit the prefab. I want to be able to see the prefab's children in the project window. And also be able to change it. Instead of having to go through every single scene, looking for one of the prefabs, making the change, and then applying the overwrite. I'm sure there's one. I don't know why. I'm sorry. I do understand why Unity kind of inherently it's a safety feature, so you don't accidentally start fucking with your prefabs. But like, oh, fair enough. Yeah, like on it because it comes up so much. Right, but Sundry, one of the things I don't want. Wait, can I open it here? Oh my good God, you can. Okay, I'm an ass. I didn't realize you could. Oh, I'm such a dick. Okay, fair enough. Okay, you're right. I didn't know. I retract my previous idiotic statement. Like, let's open up. Please tell me this is a prefab. I'll be very upset if this isn't. Okay, good. Is there a lot of changes in here? Ooh, there is. Well, let's apply them. Fuck it. We're gonna open up this beast because unfortunately, all these switches, the canvas has gotta go. Canvas, 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 canvas. Boop. And the front door. This is an item info, so you should already have one. Delete. Oh, hit the wrong button. You can even do that and keep. Yeah, well, look, fucking. I don't know why I didn't know that, but I didn't. Floor 3. Second floor from third floor canvas. Delete. Don't need those. Yep, item info. And that might be it, actually. Yeah. Save. Oh, wait. Wait a minute. Did it save? Oh, yeah, it just got the cube on it. Phew. Lights, those all stay the same. Research facility. Please tell me you're a prefab. Thank fucking Christ. Wait, what are the differences? Oh, I edited a lot, didn't I? Yeah, I did. Well, let's apply it. What can go wrong? Blanket apply changes. My own damn fault. Oh, unused. Why don't I get rid of that then? They're unused. These are all untagged. Good. Floors, lights, props, research. Okay, so get rid of you. Because that is an item info. Yep. Exit is an item info. We don't need that canvas. Props. First floor transition. Yep, nothing. Boop. Cool. Well, thanks for that, Sundry. So that means I can go to my, because I might as well do the weapons now. Open. Get rid of the canvas. Boop. Ooh, knife. Why do they call it knife canvas? Weird. Actually, that might give me an error in the first scene. Almost there. Shotgun. And submachine gun. Which, oh yeah, that one's already fixed. Okay. So with that pretty much, I don't want to say done, but I'll need to adjust a lot of the offsets for them. But I won't be able to do that till we play through the levels. So that's fine. Is that the last? I think that was actually the last thing. So the actual animator themselves, excuse me. Let's bring one into the player canvas. And let's go to our UI and select the indicator image. And let's find it, because I'm sure it's somewhere. Where's our pause canvas and this stupid... Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Boop. Okay, so right now there's an animator on it that we can't use because it changes the scale, which we can't touch, but we can change the width and the height, or I can fade in and out, or both. So I'm gonna take a look and see what the, let's, animator. Yeah, so because we can't use it, yes, anchor position and the scale, wow. Delete. So let's just go, because they all should have the same width and height. Let's go 150, 150. And then in, I don't know, 0.10 seconds, we'll go 250, 250. And then back here, 50. Ah! Now, what does that look like? That almost looks the same, minus the, like, that's, I mean, it's a bit quick. It's almost epileptic. So let's go, let's move it up a bit. Try that. That's not bad. And this way the text will stay the same. Yeah, I might just leave that. Nice and simple. Now, the only problem I think I'm gonna run into is that, yeah, shit. That means the, because the stupid animator, it's referencing the name of the image. And, well, for debugging, I was changing the name. I was changing the name so I could find out which one it is. I guess I can get rid of that, because that'll completely screw with the animator. Balls. Okay, well, look, I'm going to keep that anyway. And we're just going to call it indicator dimension. I'm just going to go through and get rid of these. Item pickup, I think, has it as well. Yeah. Keypad lock puzzle, no. What were the other ones? There was health pickup. Too bad, that was kind of handy. Because I couldn't even do the color. That sucks, I can't change the name. Yeah. Wait, what was I looking for? Oh, you need to check the exploding item ones as well. Item pickup, we did use item plugin. Weapon pickup. It might be it. Is there another one? Weapon, item, oh, ammo. All right, let's give it a go. And let's see what breaks. And then where's the fixed? So that one and that item, because they're using the same one, right? Yeah. All right. Let's try it out. Oh, figures. Forgot to take that off. So that's the old. I knew there was a few I forgot. Level controller. Exit to city streets. We don't need the canvas anymore. Boop. And there's another one, isn't there? Oh, it's the sewer. Level objects, key obstacles, sewer. I'll get rid of you. Oh, the on-off door. This is just a... check all these stupid puzzles. Shit. Why do I need that? I don't need that. What do I have a reference to it? And this one I need a reference to the puzzle. I need the puzzle icon. Which canvas is this? Oh yeah, so I can get rid of you. Ooh, look at that. Dickhead here. That's me. Didn't make it a prefab. What kind of dickhead am I? Well, let's fix that up. Puzzles. It's not. Don't I have one for puzzles? No. Really? Electronic keypad. Why is it not in there? On-off door lock puzzle. Oh, because that's the door. Oh. Open. Yes, we don't need you. Please tell me that says interact. You bastard. It's a bad idea. The replacements to the sewer re-exit, that's got a fucking one on it. All of these do. Son of a bitch. I forgot about these. This is the really annoying part. I have to go through every one of these fucking things. Oh, it's so... I wish there's... Now I'm wishing there's a blanket way to change them all, and that would just be pure ridiculousness. Why would Unity ever allow that? Audio 1. Audio 2. Sure, I'm gonna miss 1. 3. Sorry everyone if you're watching this. If you've left, I completely understand. You know why? Because this is what game dev is. Sometimes it's just really boring. What? Seen dead officer. Jesus Christ. I forgot. Sometimes I use actual proper assets. Oh, okay, so all of these items in here, all these other prefabs, they have world space canvases on them, and I have to remove them. So I'm editing the prefabs to just, instead of going scene by scene, editing the prefabs to get rid of them. So there's a few. There's not an absolute truck ton, but there's a few. And by you even asking that question, I've completely lost my place. So thanks, man. No, I get it. Canvas, get rid of. That was Patrick Bates. Stupid Patrick Bates. No, don't delete him. Need you. And once, did I do this one? No, I didn't. I believe, unless there's any adjustments to be made to the offsets. Oh. Unless I have to make any adjustments to the offsets, which I'm sure there's a few that I'm going to have to. Then, to be honest, I think we can move on and start, getting through those last two scenes. I believe. Oh. Okay, why is he a prefab? That's weird. File mesh, that is the canvas, right? Yep. Open. This is the item information. Oh, yeah. Okay. Whew. Those are old though. Is that Ivan guy still in those videos? I don't even know what happened to him. I wonder if they fired him. Pretty sure they would have fired him. Because I don't remember him being in a lot of the videos, to be honest. Yeah, unless he's... Yeah, I don't know. Maybe, you know, I know, and only from watching as many of his videos as I have, I know there's a unsaid issue of people swiping stuff. So, maybe he just took too many things. Go down number 2 from last. Oh, okay. That one's better because it's, well, one, it's more recent, but see, that's the thing. Like you're only looking at like the quality of the PCs. You don't really care about, unless you're. I don't think you're going to be calling up whoever to order a PC. Now you might, but I don't know. If you are, then it's makes sense. This image is info icon. Okay. Oh, I forgot about the info icons. Damn! So I have to edit most of them. That's okay. That's okay. I can do that one fell swoop. Yeah, I think you'll be going to Discord. I would be going to Discord, any Discord, for rather than call them up. Clue 1. Okay, go to this there. Open. By the way, we might take a quick break tonight, so you guys maybe could help me choose a monitor. I'm actually trying to go cheap on a monitor, and I think I have 2 or 3 different options, unless you guys can find some more. So I basically, I have a set of specs that I want, and I have a budget, and yeah, so no, not monitors. No, I know, no. There's enough of that shit in this room to light up the back of the monitor. That stuff never interested me. The game, like a gaming monitors doesn't interest me at all. Like I have no desire. If I could afford one and it was in my budget, like I'd take like a 144 hertz panel. Of course, I don't need it. I don't like I don't play enough games that would be more immersive if it was at a higher refresh rate. I don't have that. So maybe once I get through this list, fuck it. Once I get through this list, we'll go through. Well, I'll show you guys my options, and then if you guys can maybe, if you want, you don't have to. If you can, if you have if you know of any other ones. But I probably within the next week or 2, I'll be pulling the trigger on another one. The big one that's in front of me right now is going to go on the wall up there above this image. And then my 32-inch one here is going to come down, and I'll have, basically I want 2 of them, but like kind of next to each other. Save. We're almost there, guys. There's not that many more. Why 2 instead of 1 ultra wide? Because, well, put it this way, if for streaming, it's streaming like 3440 by 1440. I think that's like like 21 by 9. It's really hard to get the canvas itself through OBS gets like, just how do I say it? Like, I'd actually have to make the OBS canvas like almost 4K. So then I'd have black bars on the top and bottom. Like, you can't scale it right for what, say, Twitch or YouTube. YouTube and Twitch, they want like basically 16 by 9. There we go. Funny, actually. Fucker. But yeah, so like this 16 by 9, that's the ratio I want. It's for me, it's just, I don't know. I have no desire. I'd love, like, if I, what is that? There's a mass one, it's like a 40, no, is it 35 by 9? I forget what some stupid large Samsung Odyssey monitor. That's just ridiculously, like, I'm not spending $4,000 on a fucking monitor. But, yeah, it's just not gonna happen. What was that, police report? Shit, I lost it. Police report. Yeah, but like I'm not spending that much money on a monitor. Like, the biggest thing for me is screen real estate and the panel itself. Like, because I want a 32-inch monitor, I don't want to go 1080p. It's too pixelated. So 1440p is that's my go-to for now. Like, 4K is fine, but like, I don't need it. Like, it's too much screen real estate. Like, it's 4K at full resolution, like without any scaling on the 42-inch monitor. It's way too much. It's way too much space, and the text is so fucking small. So I actually like what you're seeing here is this is my 4K monitor, but it's scaled at it's 150%. So it's basically scaled down or up. By 50%. So it looks. I don't know how to say it right. Anyway, this looks bigger than what it actually would be at full 100% scaled resolution. So it's too, like, I'm not utilizing it. In a game, it would, but I don't play. If I'm going to play, like, I don't know. I'd rather play a game at 60 hertz with an IPS panel, that 1440p, than I would a 4K at 60 hertz with a VA panel or a TN panel. I don't care about input latency. I'm not playing anything competitive. I'm not a huge fan of shooters. So, it just wouldn't, that kind of stuff it's just not necessary for me. So basically, I pretty much just let the fucking cat out of the bag there. So basically what I'm looking for, I don't mind shooters, but I don't need the super fast latency to have a competitive edge. Like, I'd never play online multiplayer for shooters. Like, I'd play the campaign, and I'd play with friends, like we did with, like, Left 4 Dead 2. Like, I'd play those. That's fine, but I'm not looking to have the best edge, and I don't care about that. So a 60 hertz panel with, like, 20 milliseconds latency, I don't give a shit. It's fine. You know what I mean? So basically, here's what I'm looking for. I might as well just fucking say it. I'll say it now, then I'll bring it, and then I'll tell you which ones I'm looking at. I basically want a 32-inch panel, 1440p, and IPS. An IPS panel. And my budget is roughly, not including shipping, at most €300. I think I found 2 or 3. One I actually have here. And I actually, like, right now is sitting in my buy or my purchase, sitting in my cart in Amazon is the exact same one as up here. But if there's another one out there that's, might have a better, I don't know, contrast ratio, or, like, you know what I mean, the niggly stuff. Hate you, Hugo. Hate you and I love you at the same time. But you're not wrong either. Frick. This is the canvas, right? I'm sorry this is taking so long, guys. But I'll pull up, once I get this done, I will pull up the three that I think I found 3. Oh. Oh, must have got rid of that one. C4, shopping list note. I think I did on this one too. Yeah, I did. Woohoo. Tagging this laptop. I don't think I did that one. Nope. Almost there. Open CEO computer. No! 300 or less. 300 or less. Because it's going to be like 25 or 30 shipping. You'll probably come up with the same ones that I found. But again, I just wasn't sure if you guys knew more than I did. Why is there... Oh, it's right here. Right? Yeah. CEO phone. We're almost there. Light puzzle info. I think I fixed all these. No, I didn't. 30. It'd be 32 inch, yeah. I would prefer to stay at 32 because anything bigger than 32 at 1440p, the pixels start to get. You could, I mean, you'd have to look close, but like the pixels per inch value or number gets a little too small. Pixels per, I think it's pixels per inch. It gets a little too small, yeah. Light info, worker's phone, canvas, scroll view. Where is it? Oh, it's in here. The thing is though, 32 isn't always 32 based on pixel density 6 inch. Oh, well, fair enough. But look, again, I'm just saying, I don't want, like the other thing too is this monitor that I have in front of me, I like it, but it is too big. Like that's why this view of me from the camera is because my camera actually has to sit up over top to get an image of me, and I don't like it. It's too high. So again, first world problems. But like, I would prefer. I like the 32 one that's above me. I wish it was down here. That's all. Worker's phone. We're getting there. Blue phone, gray phone. Blue phone, gray phone. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, I know. That's way too 20. And it's funny, like literally 27. I find too small. Like I have a 20. Actually, I gave it to my wife for use for her office. I have a 27-inch monitor, but it was great when I got it. But as soon as I got the 32-inch one, I couldn't go back to the 27-inch one. That's all. I just wanted them to match. So 32. Maybe 34, maybe, but like 32. Red phone, we're almost at the bottom. Canvas, that's the one I'm looking for, yep. Samsung 8K TV. Jesus, no. You... I don't have, like, I don't pay for, like, we have satellite TV here at Sky. We have the bare minimum package, so we don't even get the HD channels. So we have a 4K TV in the sitting room that we rarely ever get to use 4K, like, see 4K shit out of. Unless I'm streaming a game off my server, or we watch a movie I download or something like that. We even have the cheap Netflix, so we don't even get the Ultra HD. On that, it's the HD one, so like complete overkill, complete and utter overkill. That would be. Don't get me wrong, I'd love to fucking see it. But I don't think anyone in Ireland can afford it. I have an old Beamer for Netflix and stuff, and just threw my old TV out. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, like I watch streaming stuff way more than I watch any sort of TV, hands down. So like I don't even know. We have Sky TV for the news, and that actually might be it. The fuck else do we watch? Oh, there are some stuff like there's some shows like Sky Atlantic shows or like Sky Originals. Like there's a lot of them that we do watch. Like there's a new one with Bryan Cranston called I think it's called Your Honor. It might not be a Sky Atlantic one, but like we can only get it on Sky unless I do some nefarious things, which I don't really want to. I can, but I don't want to. Wait, whoa, lab notes. Oh, you sneaky pup. You are there. Yeah, save. Two more, guys. Two more. Actually, I realize I have to do all of the item pickups as well. There's 30 of those. Tutorial. Oh, of course there's a tutorial. Watch, I'm just completely breaking. I'm not supposed to be doing this. I'm breaking everything. You watch. One more. No, wait. Is it one more? Yeah, one more. And then I'll show you the monitors that I found. Save. Okay, let's save this. Okay, let's open up you, and I'll go to, I'll just go to Amazon. We'll go to the Germany one because Germany. Okay, so. This is the one, do I have it? I'm not gonna show my wish list. It's a ViewSonic. There it is right there. So this is one that I currently have. Not you, this one. It's $269. It's the speakers I don't give a shit about, but you know, it's IPS. Again, I'm using it up here. Like I'm looking at it right now, and I like it. It's a good one. Oh, it even says even the refresh rate is 75 hertz. That's weird. Why up here is not? Maybe this is an updated version of one. It's got shit reviews, which is really funny. I don't want to say shit reviews, but like there's a lot of like people are complaining about light bleed, and yeah, it's not the best. I do find some stuff, Sundry. I do find some stuff that I like niche stuff. Like I think I bought my Threadripper processor off Amazon Italy. Believe it or not. But anyway, so it doesn't have the best reviews, but like I've never had a problem with mine. Like everyone complains about backbleed, but the problem is when you take a picture of a monitor that's got a black screen, the camera will actually pick up more than what your human eye could see. No, I know, but I'm just saying. So there's this one here, which again, yeah, like it's, and then what was the other one? I think it was, I can't even pronounce the goddamn. Is it? I'm gonna have to search because I forget the name. Hold on, 32, not 144. 32 monitor, IPS, 1440p, and it's bought. Actually, yeah, is it this one? Yeah, it's this one here. I don't know this company at all. $279, and the shipping's roughly the same. And again, it says 75 hertz, but I don't think it's actually 75. So like, I don't know. It has less inputs. I just don't know anything. Does anyone know anything about that company? Check mine. I should check Mind Factory. It's got, actually, it's funny because I think it's got a better review. What's the panel though? Did it say IPS? It did say IPS, but what kind of IPS? Is it going to tell us? My German is a bit off, guys, so you're gonna have to oh, it's just difference between a TN panel, because there's different kind of IPS panels. There's the, is it ADP? Oh, this is IPS LED. Okay. Yeah, see, I've heard the name, I think, but I just don't know the brand. Yama. It's got. Oh, really? Well, let's check Mind Factory. Why not? I think that's where I bought my case. My 011. Agree. What do they have for monitors? Do they even have monitors? Oh yeah, okay, they do. Oh, we're gonna check this? Okay, fuck it, let's check this. Accept all. So I'm searching for, geez, I'm not familiar with this. Movies, office, school, software, games. Fuck it, monitor. Can I drill down? Like, can I? Is there like filter? Oh yeah. Oh, but I can't like. Hardware monitor. Sort by price descending. Jesus Christ. Apple Pro display. Fuck you, Apple. 5,500. Go back. Going back. What did I miss? All right, I'll click on that link. Whoa, here we go. Thank you very much. So we'll go 300. Thank you very much, Sundry. In stock, yes. Screen size. This is, I want. It'll be here. And resolution, I want. Where's 1440? Yeah, that's it. IPS. And the rest I don't care about. So, let's go by best price. Descending. Did I select the site? I did. Whoops, should have went the other way. Whoa, never heard of you. A peak? And there's the ViewSonic right there. So like, I was kind of on, oh, Laptops Direct. I mean, there's a cheaper one by 20 quid, but I have no idea who. Let's open it up. I've never heard of these guys. It looks like a copy of the ViewSonic one, to be honest. The bezel is tiny. What's the rating on it? Is there a rating? Oh yeah, ooh, 2.8 out of 4. I don't know how to trust the ratings though. Okay, let's click on you. This is the one that I was probably going to get. Amazon.co, yeah, UK. Oh, and I get free delivery from them because I'm a Prime member. It's got shit rating though, but I don't know, it's weird. I like mine. eBay. This actually might be where I bought my first one. But the problem with buying anything on eBay now is you get like eBay actually or Amazon is you get nailed. You get nailed with custom charges if it's from the UK, which sucks. So Laptop Direct, that's also UK. So it would basically be here. What is it on Amazon? This is $269. Oh, yeah, it's a lot cheaper. Here, Surf Fact. Anyone know them by chance? Oh, is that the store rating? Oh, wait, is it the store rating? Oh, that's not good. Yeah, it is a store rating, okay. Oh, this is the rating for the monitor. Okay. Yeah, so that's, never heard of any of these fucking stores. Beamer discount. eBay, yeah, past that. So like, basically anything up until like, I'm just gonna get rid of UK. Because I'm gonna get nailed with custom charges. I'll probably get nailed with like, I think it's like 20%. Some stupid number. Oh well. See, do I take the hit? Well, anyway, like, so that's what I'm probably gonna end up going with, another one of those. Hopefully. See, it's the only other reason why, and I'm not sure if I told the story before. When I was building this PC here, I ordered this, like, I ordered the Gigabyte 2080 Ti, blah blah blah, and all the other stuff. So everything came pretty much at the same time. So I had this big box of shit, which was awesome. And then I waited a couple days because I needed time to put everything together. And let me go back to this. And so the last thing I put in, like, I installed everything else, and the last thing I put in was a video card. And I open up the box, and it's just a big bunch of fucking junk. Like, it was an old video card. It was dusty, it was dirty, and it was just ripped to shreds. And I'm like, oh my god, this is a 1,400 euro, whatever the fuck it was that I paid for it. Because Hugo, Britain's not in the EU anymore, so we can't. It's not free trade across the borders. So anyway, so I called up Amazon straight away, and they're like, "Oh my god, that's awful. We'll send you another one." Literally the next day, before I even sent the old one out, they sent me another one, which was great. I opened it up, another box of shit video card parts, just destroyed. Like again, dusty, like basically put in there for weight. And I'm like, oh my god, they're not gonna fucking believe me. I call them up again, and I tell them, like, and I took pictures. I'm like, guys, you know, it happened again, blah, blah, blah. And they're like, okay, so we're gonna need you to send those 2 boxes back because we're gonna have to do an investigation. And so I sent the 2 boxes, but they paid for the shipping, no big deal. Sorry, I paid for the shipping, they refunded it. And it took 3 months for them to figure out that whoever Amazon's warehouse was getting these Gigabyte ones from, they were taking out the new card and putting in this junk, and then sending them off to the Amazon warehouse. No, UK includes Northern Ireland, not the Republic. So anyway, it took 3 months for me to get my refund. That's the shitty part. I didn't get a refund for that money until they concluded their investigation. And I even had to sign a big big document saying that, you know, my testimony, whatever it was I think I actually still have a copy of it. Was that, you know, I didn't do anything nefarious, that this is, you know, my claim was legit. And it was a fucking atrocious. So what I ended up doing, as I said, because I was going to go back to Amazon and just order it again, but I'm like, okay, I'm not going through this because they'll never believe me a third fucking time. I just went to Overclockers and said, I don't care. I can spend an extra 150 on top. I just want my fucking card. I had the entire PC built with my old 980 Ti in it, and I was going insane. Like, it was still fine. I could use it, whatever. But like, I said, fuck it. I'll just go to UK. I paid them. The next 2 days later, boom, I get it. I open it up real slow, thinking in my head, oh my god, this is another fucking box of video card parts. I'm gonna flip. And sure enough, boom, it was there, and it was great, and it worked perfectly. So like, I was so mad. And it turns out some asshole, I don't know what they found in their investigation, but obviously they refunded me, so there was some truth to it. Not truth, but like some they found something. Hey, maybe I wasn't the only one complaining. Maybe and when I went to do a review of the, you know how you can do like an Amazon review of the product, they wouldn't take my review because they said, well, by your own admission, you never got the product, so we won't accept your review on a page. I'm like, people should know about this. People should know, don't buy this from here because they're gonna get fucked. So yeah, it was brutal. It was fucking brutal. And that's the story of that fucking card. So yeah, I wasn't happy, but I'm glad in the end I got my money back, which was fine. I wish it didn't take 3 months, but it did. But again, like, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money to lose, or for Amazon to be out in case, you know. That's what I'm thinking, Hugo. Yeah, don't deal with, like, well, that's the thing, going through Amazon. Like, say I went through SurfNet or whatever the fuck they were, and the box came and it was just a bunch of rocks. They're not going to believe me. You know what I mean? Like, at least that's why I kind of like buying kind of expensive things through Amazon, because like they have the infrastructure there to deal with and investigate problems like that. Like, there's videos online of people buying, like, you know, $6,000 cameras and getting a box of rocks, or buying iPhones off Amazon, and it's just like a packet of ramen noodles in it. But they get their money back, which is where, like, I don't know these other smaller companies like Mind Factory. I know they're big enough where they probably would, they probably would not necessarily, I don't want to say take my word for it, but like they would be able to investigate it. But like a smaller company, like a shop out of at some street, they're just going to say, no, we have your money, you have the shit product, we're not going to do anything about it. Like that's probably, or it would be unbelievably hellish. I'd have to go through some other means. So that's why I kind of like, I don't mind in a weird way paying a little bit more for that peace of mind. Don't get me wrong, I'll never buy the warranty. I never buy the extended warranty. Which is fucking funny. Stupid, to be brutally honest. Okay, so all those are done. The puzzles themselves. If I open this, oh my good God. Circuit puzzle, we don't need a canvas. Boop. Do not use combination lock. Open. Oh my fucking God. What's the canvas for this? Here? No. Oh, it's not on that. It's on the door. Haha. Electronic keypad. Open. I think we got rid of this one already. Yeah, we did. And the on-off door puzzle, which we already did there. So, I thought I had more puzzles than that. But this way, when that happens, Hugo, excuse me, the original, my big scene camera will be up a bit, looking at me, and then this one, you'll actually have a more centered view, so they actually be able to see my entire room. Which I know I'm not doing it for the stream, but I'm doing it because when I do calls for work, I have to use one of these two cameras, which is fine. But this one adds some distortion, so when I'm on it and I put my arm out to reach for something, my arm like looks like it's an extra foot long. And this one, because it's a weird angle, people have said that they didn't like it, which I'm fine in a weird way. I don't give a shit, but at the same time, if I'm talking to a director and he's bitching at me because, hey, why is it like, your camera should look like everyone else's? In a weird way, I kind of have to abide because he's a dick. He's not a dick, but he can be. Anyway, let's continue on with, and we'll just fucking fix as we go. So we are in the business power plant. This is where we are supposed to start, I believe. Yeah, I finished the horde, so we're starting this scene from scratch, I hope. And I will mute audio. Nope. Let's play it. Might be broken right out of the gate. Nope. Okay. Turn you off. So that works. Whoa. Never added the thing for the herbs, the icon animator. Yeah, I didn't do it for that. Although that looked a bit. Some of these do need offsets. Like that is a bit higher, but I need to offset them a little bit. Picked up a machine gun. That light needs to be fixed. It's fine. That text I'm gonna make smaller. Ah, see, I knew I forgot one. There shouldn't be use item on it either. Yeah, so I knew I forgot some. Yeah, I think the normal rifle needs maybe double the ammo size. looks weird. Okay, so yeah, so some of them, you see, it shouldn't have use item. Oh, is there a line of sight issue? No. Okay, we're gonna have to fix that. Yeah, see, the offset needs to be... Oh, I can't click on it. Why can't I click on it? Why can't I click on it? I knew this is... Hope this isn't an indicator issue. No, it looks fine. It's probably a line of sight issue. Oh no, it shouldn't be. Oh, unless these stupid cubes have colliders on. No, they don't. Okay. Huh. What's my use distance? It's my player distance right now. Debug this. Player distance is... Do I have it up here? Player distance is 3.8. If I take off, use line of sight check, does that work? Huh. Okay, let's find out why. Son of a bitch. Oh, because that's not being toggled. Son of a bitch. Okay, so I need to keep that in. Unless I'm doing... Am I already doing a line of sight check, though? Because if I'm doing a line of sight check... Oh, that's just... Wait, is that... I should... Line of sight is up here. I should just put this line of... I should just put that can use in the line of sight. So like this... I can put this here. Actually, let me rip this straight out. Actually, hold on. Copy that. We'll put that in the line of sight. Hither. Hither. And get rid of you. And we'll go up here. Can use was false. And we'll just put that in there. Now, I'm just really curious to know in my cursor controller. This is the light toggle switch. All this bullshit down here. Light toggle switch. Pulse toggle light. Okay. So I'm pretty sure I can just drop this in here. Yeah. Okay. Also, I just realized the where is it? Hospital admin. Second floor door has a fucking canvas on it, and where's the entrance? Is it in here? Did I throw it in here like a dork? Indoor transitions, yeah. These ones gotta go. Let's open this up. Actually, let's check this real quick before. Oh, good. Open prefab. It's floor what? I think. Floor 3. Where am I seeing this? Second floor door. Why did I not see that? Second floor door. Am I blind? Oh, it's right fucking there. There we go. Yeah. Cool. Okay. And we might as well find out too why the indicators for the health pickups, they're still getting the same one. They're getting the indicator image. So the UI, where's my prefabs for the UI? Indicator image should be on. Well, let's find out. Play it again. Play it again, Sam. So I don't know if I like that. See, how come the ammo... Oh, look at this. Oh, fuck, I'm an asshole. Forgot to unhighlight it. Come on, compile faster. Let's just start again. And I wanna open up this thing to look there. Yep. I want to find out why the health ones are not beating, so to speak. And neither is those. The ammo ones should be. This one is. Of course, it's on the canvas. It looks like it is. Is it? It's not marked as static. The animator's on. It's running. So what is stopping the width and height from changing? Size delta shouldn't be affected. Oh. Why isn't that? I don't have preserve aspect. What's the difference between the ones then? Where's the scene exit one? There's no difference. I don't always. Oh, is it on always animate? The other ones aren't for some reason? No. Why is the width and everything? That's so weird. Okay, first things first. I'm just gonna turn off this for now. Go away. So is there a way to get two of them? There we go. So I got the health one, which it's supposedly it's trying to change. The numbers are going. But if you look at this one is totally doing it. But there's no difference. No, I did not. But this is weird. I mean, you could see the size delta changing. Like if I pause the game, why? Why isn't that? I haven't a clue. That's so weird. Like if I run this. Wow, I might have to change. That doesn't make any sense to me. Might just fade it in and out. But that one doesn't work. But this one does. Oh, well, it doesn't really work in, oh, it's because preview's on. Okay, that one works, but this one, it's not working. Wait, do we have? No, they're the same. They're the same animators. You could tell. You could see the run. It's trying to run. What if I change this image? Is it the image? Yeah, it's the image. Oh. What? Is it because I changed the image at runtime? I've not seen that before. Let's go to the health. So I'm changing the image. Health pickup script. Am I changing the image? Oh, I am. Yeah, right there. That's so weird. Why is that happening? Is it? No. Oh, wait, no. I'm changing it after the parent's been set. I'm adding to the pool. That's fine. Like, is everything else? Why? First off, let's get rid of this old shit. Why is that? Get rid of the name. That is the weirdest fucking thing. It's almost as if I need to go. I wonder if this fucks everything up. Dot set active true. If I make it true there, and actually I'll have to do the same for all the other ones. Balls. And then I make that, maybe if I set it before I enable the game object. Because I'm setting it true here, but it's already true. Okay, let's try it out. Let's take the prefab. That's. I didn't think that mattered. Where are my prefabs? I'll take this one, and this one, and we'll just turn them off at start. Oh shit! And then I just realized all of these Oh, some are multi-component ones. Great. This is the info. This one. Oh, I can't do that. Ah, balls. I'll have to do it after. Yeah, let's just see if that works. No, it's not working. Like if we, like you could see it trying to do in the editor. But if I set it again, it works fine. That's so weird. I wonder if I'd have the same issue with the pen. What the fuck? Like, what is the one? Why is one okay? Oh, because we're not changing the actual sprite. Like maybe if I just, let's just move this. Whoops. This must be one of those weird Unity things. Let's try after we set it active. Try. It's fucked up. Why isn't the sprite? Nope. Sorry, so let me. Where's the object? Just get rid of it. You can see it. Oh, I'm poisoned. You can see it trying to move. See the animation looping. Yeah. And it's Delta Z. Delta Z is missing? Well, there's no Delta Z for size. It's X and Y. Can't do anything with the pivot. I'm on the wrong one, that's why. You know what? Maybe I can fuck with the scale. Well, let's try it out. Fuck me. That is the weirdest thing. I can't believe this. This was supposed to be easy. Oh, I need to actually have this in the fucking game. So instead of that, at least we know the scale is 2.0. Fuck me. Okay, let's get rid of these. Start from scratch. And we'll go, let's record. We'll go 0.1. 0.1. And we'll go, I don't know, 0.15. See, this is now going to do the, I was hoping to not do the text, but if I have to, I have to. 30. Okay, let's try that. Yep. Oh shit. Oh, doesn't matter. Yeah, just doing the scale works. Make it. Let's get rid of the object pooler and just hope I don't break the game. It's there. I mean, it's there. It's easy to see. I don't know if I like it though. But adjusting the image seems. I don't know why it broke the one. I might not do what, like, that's like a 50% scale. I might do, no, 10% would probably look, I don't know. I'll do that for now. The other thing as well, while I'm here, because why the fuck not? Before we jump into the next, player pickup items, ammo. Let's just change the, no, ammo, health items. Let's change all the antidotes to, where is our, let's go, what, 50? Let's see what that looks like. 50 is better. It's right above it. It's weird, you see how, like, it's almost like behind? Like, I almost need to do it on, like, I guess I can't do it in late update, can I? But you see, it's almost like they're kind of warbly. And I think it's because there's a dampening effect on the camera. But yeah, I'm gonna do 50 for the health items. Okay. Okay, well look, we'll leave it like that for now. And I'm just gonna change these to 50 because hopefully they're centered. Let's turn everything on that's supposed to be on, and then we'll go back and do it again. On. Just realized I turned the pause canvas and the bug reporter off. Okay, let's do it again. Oy. See, I don't like how that text... I don't know, it's a bit big. Burned. Okay, so... there's a bit of some... enemies should be... ignore... I must pick up that ammo. Oh, I can't get any more shotgun. Oh, why am I not using the shotgun? Well, let's go test out the puzzle right now, see if we can use it. Ah! Balls! Okay, so I'm also gonna have to turn, when I do puzzles, I'm gonna have to turn off the player info canvas. So basically, all the health stuff, I'm just gonna have to make it turn the alpha off. That's annoying. Or I can make the player health, I can make those canvases, I wonder. Anyway, that works. Okay. Wait, am I profiling? Because I don't need a profile right now. You motherfucker, stop recording. This shouldn't be use item. Should be no use item. Why is there a use item on you? Hotel administration building. Should not be. No, this is just a transition. Item information. Ah. Because it's sitting on use item or interact. Balls. Out of curiosity. Oh, I don't have one of those in here, do I? Something else to sort. Yeah. So I don't want that one to say use item. But there's nothing really on it for me to differentiate. I could, instead of doing layer, I guess I have to do fucking layer. So within here, I'd have to do another check. Player transition, but I need to know if player transition. I'll figure that out. Let's just keep going. See, these should not say use item. I'm gonna have to figure out a better way of doing it. Okay, at least the light switches work. I think these are too big. Anyway. See that? It's actually blocking the key. Oh, and it's orange. Oh wait, I'm not supposed to fucking turn that one on. What am I doing? You notice there's no enemies because I turned the object puller off, I think. Did that door not unlock? Why am I not getting anything displayed on this? Oh, I got an error. The variable indicator canvas. Ah! Balls. Okay, so, well, at least I caught this now. Yeah, we don't need to do that. Okay. Balls. Okay, set out. So what were the issues I found there? Oh yeah, the use item. I don't know how to fix that. Because right now... I don't want to have a bool to say what it is. Because that means I'd have to manually write it in. Like, I could do a check. Like, if it has a use item script, it should say use item. Ah, okay, well, there we go. If use item not equal null, then we want that. And then else. So if it has use item script, put use item. If it doesn't have that, then there should be no text at all. Or I could make it say interact. I don't know. And I want the UI, the indicator image. I'm going to change the scale slightly to 0.8. And that means I have to update the fucking... And here it's let's what I did 50%. So what's 25% of 8? That's 2. So this one would be, we'll go 0.1. Fuck it. This might be too small now to be noticeable. Yeah. That's much better. That's, yeah, it's there and you could see it, but it's not obnoxious. Whoa! Fucking worms. Let's see if that hospital building works. I really hope it does. And oh, the puzzle. The puzzle, we have to turn the, I don't care about the ammo, I just want to see. Yeah, that's better. But now I also have to figure out why I wasn't able to trigger the... Oh, did I get an enemy in here? Like I should... Is this one must be a line of sight issue. If it is, we'll fix it. Whoa. Static. There's that information there. Where is the... Oh, my gizmo's off? I'm willing to bet that the box collider... Where can... Oh no. If I move it just out to the back there. No. That's weird. All lights must be turned on to fit the magnetic door lock. Why is it not? Like sometimes it is. Is there another? Distance to highlight. Let's make that 8, just to see if it's. Yeah. Is this thing got a... Oh, fuck me, that's why. Why is there a fucking collider on it that big? Should be a mesh... Ooh, yeah, it should be a mesh collider. Well, that's why. Well, at least I thought that was why. No? I should be able to read it from here. I figured that was the problem, unless there's another one in the way. Like that's the nav mesh obstacle. Yeah. Which is fine. Is there another... Is this the light? No, that light's not in the way. Like, what if I move this? Oh, I can't because it's static. Ah, shit. Is everything in this thing static? Yeah, okay, fine. Let's move the whole game object. Move it to here. I don't know why that would break the fucking thing. It's just odd. Okay, we'll get there. We are getting there. Oh yes, the gate. So when we do these interactive puzzles, that's right. Is it this one? It's the obstacles. This guy here? Is it this guy here? Where's it all garbled? So does it have... No, see, I don't currently have a reference to the... That's the canvas group with the puzzle. I need the player... player canvas info, so I'll have to do this for every puzzle. Unless... What am I manipulating anything when I do this? I'm doing dialogue state. Oh, I'm just changing it there. Why didn't I just do it down here? Where is it? Update dialogue state, because that means, yeah, update dialogue state. Now that might fuck with the culling mask though. Yeah, I should use this. Update dialogue state is what I should be using. Son of a bitch. False. We'll test it with this one. And where is it here? We'll see if that takes care of the camera. There we go. Come on. I'm just gonna rush through. And then if there's time tomorrow, I thought I'd be able to get through this level tonight. I don't know. Just rush. There's no wolf there. Oh, I'm gonna die. Do I have any health? I do. Unity showcase their new networking? Really? I gotta start paying attention to this stuff. Hey, there we go. At least the enemies don't move either. Okay, that works way better. Because this way it gets rid of all the UI. If I cancel, it all comes back. Yeah. Die worm. The alpha is starting with... That's the alpha though, that's scary. Well, I mean, how is their networking? Is it way more? Is it way more? Is, you know, is it just better? Let's just go in the building. Oh no, nothing yet? Ah, what the fuck? Is it because this thing is set to static or something? Like, why can I not read this? I'm gonna have to debug it. I want to make sure this door works. Why doesn't this let me read it? I already noticed that fucking enemy there. I don't even care about the key. Actually, I should check this phone. See, they'll still show through it. So on the even on these, I got to turn off the canvas. Yeah. Okay. Yay, door's unlocked. Let's see what the computer looks like. Oh, I didn't change the... Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay. Well, at least the game was saved anyway. Okay, so, on my interactive, the phones. Where are you? Hospital CEO computer. Yeah, they're all fine. Interactive info. Let's go down to the start. Cancel read. So instead of level manager dialog, we want turn that back on. Level manager dot update dialog state. Files. I'd love to try out doing a I wouldn't ever do like a multiplayer one, like, you know, like online, but I'd love to do like at least a co-op one. It would be hard to test, be very hard to test. I obviously I'd have to, you know, builds going on everywhere, but I'd love to try it out, see how well I get on with it, because it's one. Oh, shit, did I build? I hit build. Hit build again. There we go. Oh yeah, there's editor tutorials now. Oh, fair enough. Because I know one of the older ones that I think I downloaded, but I never dicked around with, was that tanks game. I think that tank super tank shooter or whatever the fuck it was. And that was I don't know, I think that was, it looks fun. I just never got into it. Interactive puzzles. Wasn't in the editor? I don't know. I'm not going to lie. I don't know. I wish I did know. Combination lock. And up here. Oh, like a window. Oh. No. Oh, that's pretty cool then. Okay, no, I wasn't aware of that. Yeah, well, see, the thing is, I'm teaching very like people who have almost no Unity, or no, actually they have zero experience. So like, I'm still getting them used to the just navigating the editor. Like, we're doing other stuff, but like, it's very slow going. And because there's been such a gap, like the last time I had a class with them was like end of November, I think. That everything that I've shown them, they probably forgot. The last thing, like, I'm teaching them in 2019, because at least at the time when I started it, the 2020.1, it wasn't buggy, but it wasn't working. Like, there was a few things, like there were some issues with the canvas. And the last thing I wanted to do was try to show, like, just to try to teach with potentially, you know, with bugs in the way, editor bugs that I couldn't do anything with. So I knew oh, that's right. I knew 2019 was stable enough anyway. Oh, we did this one. Oh, there's nothing in this one. On-off door lock. Oh, shit. Oh, invoke cancel puzzle, thank God. I think this is the last one. Rotating image puzzle? Oh, fuck. Too many of these. Yeah, that's all the puzzles updated. Yeah, the next class I have with them is in like a month. I have to open up the project and to see where the hell we were. I'll show it to you guys once we go through the full 10 classes. I'll show you guys what we were working on. Oh, is this why? Still shouldn't matter. That actually might be why. Son of a bitch. Where's the line of sight check? I want to do a debug. This one's driving me nuts. Ah, it is because vector. Oh. Yeah, so I have to rotate this fucking thing. Oh, and I can't. Center. Huh, that's annoying. Global, local. Anyway, we're gonna debug it. Oh, it's there. Okay, we can debug it. Let's just port the player in. Inside position, there should be, oh good, I'm right there. Nice. Uh-oh. Did Unity just freeze on me? Uh-oh. I can't act. Uh-oh. That's my keyboard just died. What the fuck happened to my keyboard? Weird. They wouldn't let me. I've had this problem before. No. Okay, so we are hovering over you. Gizmo's on. So it's... Whoa, whoa, whoa. So it is doing a check. Is it not? It's just not hitting my player? Let's turn these down a bit. Like, that's that yellow line that you're seeing. So it is doing a check and it's fine. Let me put another debug in here. Oh, sorry, I'd have to be in here. Hit. What am I looking for? Hit. Dot collider. Game object dot name. Oh, I'm stupid. There we go. Aw, you gonna be a prick? Oh, it's hitting itself? How can it be hitting itself? It should be casting that ray from the inside. I take that box and we move that box back. Oh, wait a minute. Above? No. It shouldn't. Okay, so it was hitting itself. I just gotta make the... Oh my god, okay, at least I know what the fuck it is. I thought it was going crazy. Yeah, it's fine. Won't matter over here. Okay. Hey, I need to check something real quick. Let's bring this down. Unity is using... Oh no, never mind. I thought Unity, I swear to God, I just read like 8 gigs. Why is Microsoft Edge even open? Oh, it's because I have Hack and Plan open, that's why. Okay. So, not exactly the most exciting stream today, guys. I'm very, very sorry. And I'm cutting it a tiny bit short because the next thing I have to do, well, basically I'm just gonna keep playing through the game. Making sure that everything works up until they get to the end. And then what I'll do is I will make a build, and then I will play through the build once. And if all goes well, that build will then go up to Steam, and hopefully you guys have time to play it and give me your feedback. Because I don't know how else to go about. I don't know how else to go about it. There's no point in me putting up something that's not at least tested on my end at least once. So, not the most exciting, but at least I figured out. It was a tiny problem, all stemming from the indicator text, because first off, it stemmed from the indicator. The indicators now, I want text on them to give a player a little bit more of a hint what they can and can't do with this particular item. And then from there, we got the text, and then the text was clipping sometimes through game objects. So I'm like, oh, that's no problem. I'll figure it out. And then here we are. I think like a week later. At the very least, it took me a week to realize what I needed to do, and unfortunately, it feels like I'm just burning through time on the most minute, tiny, stupid things, and I know they need to be done, but god damn it, like I feel really bad that I'm not. My playthroughs are not nearly as far as they need to be. It's just driving me nuts. I know I need to do these. I know I need to do the playthroughs, and the fact that I just feel so behind, and this is something I'm just have to get over because there's nothing I can do about it. So, next stream, hopefully, if I haven't played through it by Sunday, I have some time tomorrow, probably a 2-hour window if I'm lucky. So I'm going to try my absolute fucking best to play through, to get from where I am now to finish the game, assuming I can beat the last boss. And then I'm going to have to play it all the way again because I've made so many changes, especially with the indicators and whatnot. And there's a couple things I need to add in. But yeah, so there's a good few things that I need to just go back and double check before I put the build up. So bear with me, or tagger with me. Stupid dad joke. So for anyone out there who is new to the stream and liked in any way, shape, or form what they saw, please hit that follow or subscribe or comment or share. Do all those fun social network / media things. You can also join the Discord if that button works, and it does, because at the end of this month, which I believe is in 10 days, or sorry, the last Sunday of this month, we're doing another community game night, which I will be playing a super scary game, which I will be screaming like a little girl, called Phasmophobia, with anyone out there who wants to play. I think it's a 4-person game, so if there's more than 4, we'll rotate in and out. Or if I can't take it anymore, we'll move to another game. We'll see. And if you want to wishlist the Caretaker, you can do so at Steam. There is a survival mode build still up on Steam. Doesn't have any of the new combat stuff in it, but it still should be very playable. And the top man to beat still is Sundry, last I checked. So please click on that nice green button on the Steam page. That would make me happy. If you want to support the stream in any way, you can do so by following that link. And you don't have to, but I figured I'd throw it out there for just to see. You never know. And if you want something for your money, you can head over to the old mini merch store and pick yourself up a coffee mug or a t-shirt or another little tidbit, perhaps even a sticker for your Trapper Keeper if you're old enough to still have one. So, but thank you very much, guys. Hopefully, like I said, the next stream will be a little bit more exciting with some more, like, explosions and me, punching the screen instead of the dark work, the stuff that, you're not supposed to show anyone, but has to be done anyway. So thanks very much. I'll talk to you on Sunday. Be safe, be happy, be productive, and don't be a dick. So